seen people on here talking about affiliate marketing, but they don't tell you what to do or how to do it? If so, I want to be your guy. So you are going to want to save this video and watch all the way to the end and take some notes. Step number 1 is that you want to create a new social media account around your niche. A niche is something like you're passionate about. It could be like wealth, health, or relationships. Step number 2 is that you're going to find a company that has an affiliate program related to your niche to promote products in. And to do this, all you got to do is go to Google and type in your niche plus affiliate programs. For example, wealth affiliate programs. Step number 3 is that you want to create a landing page promoting that product you want to promote. Now, a website I recommend you to use to create a landing page is builderall.com. Now, the reason why I recommend you create a landing page is simply because you can build your own email list and you can promote multiple products if that person is not interested in that product you're trying to promote. Now, step number 4 is that you want to create content around your product. Now, there are 2 types of content that you can promote for your product: short form content and long form content. Long form content is like YouTube videos, and short form content is like TikTok videos. And step number 5, keep posting and be consistent. Remember, this is a long-term game. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you stick with this long enough, you will start seeing money start rolling in. If you found this video very helpful, follow for more affiliate marketing tips and comment bootcamp below to get started with affiliate marketing the right way.